At one of my favorite stretches of road. Haven't been able to take this road in a while, but figured I'd come out because I do want to try a new setup. As you can see, have a external audio capture device. Gonna see if we can't fire this thing up, see if we can't capture some good audio from this. Maybe I'll swing it out of the wind just a little bit more. I think I want to swing it maybe right about there. So this is a TASCAM. Make sure it's nice and tight. So what I'm going to do is power this thing on. Put it in sort of the pre-record mode. Make sure the input level is all the way down to 0. And now we should be recording. Look at this beautiful stretch of road. Wow. So nice to just have kind of the road to yourself for a while. Not too many places where you can do this. Testing that audio. Nice scenery.